Which fraction is the greatest? 1/2 or 2/3? One way we could solve this is to turn each fraction into a decimal and compare them. But that's tricky to do in our heads. A simpler way to solve this is to put each fraction into equal terms. Let's picture two pumpkin pies. One pie is divided into 3 pieces. Let's put whipped cream on top of 2 of the pieces. Now this pie represents 2/3. We can divide the other pie into 2 pieces and put whipped cream on top of 1. This pie shows 1/2. Which pie has more pieces covered in whipped cream? I think it might be the pie with 2 pieces covered. After all, 2 is bigger than 1. But how can we know for sure? We need to cut the pies into equal pieces or put our fractions into equal terms. How many pieces would fit in both pies? We are looking for a common denominator. Let's find one by multiplying 2 and 3 together. 2 times 3 equals 6. So let's cut each pie into 6 pieces. To turn 2/3 into 6, we need to multiply the numerator by 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now when we cut our pie into 6 pieces, 4 will have whipped cream on top. Next, we need to turn our 1/2 pie into 6. We need to multiply our numerator by 3. 1 times 3, that's easy, 3. So 3 pieces of our 1/2 pie will have whipped cream when we divide it into 6. Let's compare our pies and our fractions now. One pie has 4/6 covered in whipped cream. The other pie has 3/6 covered. The pie with 4/6 is definitely the greatest, so 2/3 is greater than 1/2. Let's write this out. 2/3 is greater than 1/2. Our symbol faces 2/3. Why? Pretend the symbol is a hungry alligator. He wants the greater pie. The alligator always wants to eat the bigger number. So because 1/2 is smaller than 2/3, the sign, or the alligator's mouth, opens up to 2/3 and has the point facing 1/2 because 2/3 is the bigger number. So 2/3 is greater than 1/2.